Today we are making cinnamon bun cookies, and they are just like they sound. They are the cookie version of a cinnamon roll. They're warm, they are gooey, they are cinnamony, and they are delicious. We do have a little surprise inside these cookies. They have a lovely pocket of cream cheese inside. So you're basically taking a ball of cookie dough, shoveling a wonderful, healthy amount of cream cheese in the center, and then baking it. So you get this pocket of ooey gooey cream cheese right inside. I love this recipe because it is one of those mashup recipes. So we're basically combining breakfast and dessert into one treat. You have the warm deliciousness of a cinnamon roll combined with the traditionalness of a cookie into this dessert of amazingness.